Can you just give it to me one more time? Go.
DJ Khaled.
DJ Khaled. The guy has been around forever. I feel like most people still don't know what he does, but in this video, we're gonna be talking about his latest collab with Jordan Brand. And these right here are way nicer than I expected. My name is Josh and I will be reviewing the Jordan 5 We The Best. So these sneakers right here did retail on November the 28th on the sneakers app. The pair I have in my hand is the Crimson Bliss colorway, and we also saw the release of a Sail colorway at the same time. To be honest, I did think that Sail pair was probably the better colorway of the two. Also, there's supposed to be two more colorways, but I'm not sure if they were friends and family only or if we will be seeing future releases of these pairs, but that was a purple as well as blue colorway. These shoes did retail for a price of $225. Yeah, definitely a premium price. However, I don't say this about too many Jordans, but with this pair, that price might actually be justified. Before we even get into the shoes, I gotta say the promotional campaign for the shoe by DJ Khaled was really impressive. If there is one thing DJ Khaled is really good at, it is promoting himself. I mean, just check out this video.
Let's take flight. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Get the vibe. Yeah, all the vibe. Get yours now. It's Cyber Monday. I worked my whole life for this. We the best, Air Jordan. It's time to take flight. Available worldwide.
Watching that video makes me feel like, damn, I really need to get these shoes just to feel something. I need that private jet lifestyle. Khaled's got me hyped on these. He even showed up to a basketball game with a special pillow that he placed underneath those shoes. They should have actually released that pillow with the shoes. That would be pretty cool. This sneaker right here is actually not the first collab that Khaled has had with Jordan Brand, but it is the first to have a public release. He initially worked on these We The Best Jordan 3s, but unfortunately those never reached the public. But now let us get into the shoes, starting off with the box. A very interesting box here. It comes with this plastic cover, which we've seen on a lot of Jordan releases recently. And on the top of the box, you can see this Jumpman logo, which features a pastel gradient color. And you can see these similar colors along the sides of the box as well as inside the box. And moving on to the shoes, so my first reaction when having these in hand was, wow, these actually feel amazing. The leather on this is butter soft, and there are rumors actually that Khaled went way above budget when choosing the leather materials for the shoe. He wanted the most premium materials, and really feeling this in hand, I don't think it's too much of a stretch to say that this is the best leather we've seen on maybe any Jordan release this year. And the colorway on this particular shoe,
Some call it beach, some call it salmon, some call it sushi.
and there are some contrasting blue details, and this shade of blue is called Blueberry Chill. There's also a bit of black on the midsole, and then as we move on into the outsole, you get a translucent outsole with the Jumpman logo on the left and We The Best logo on the right. Embroidered into the heel of the shoe on the right pair, you have the Nike Air logo done in that Blueberry Chill color. And on the left, we have the We The Best logo. One of the best parts about the shoe has to be this quilted inner lining. This is quite similar to the lining we see on most A Ma Maniére releases and also some of those Just Dawn pairs. Really, if I could describe this whole shoe in one word, it would be premium. Not only does this quilted lining look good, it does feel pretty nice on feet as well. But if you want to ask me what's my favorite part about the shoe, it has to be the tongue. So on most other Jordan 5 sneakers, so right here I have the metallic 5s, you can see the tongue of that sneaker is really padded, and Jordan 5s are notorious for having super padded tongues. But that is not the case at all with this pair. So this pair has a very thin tongue. It's a lot flatter, so it's more similar to those off-white 5 tongues, which I really like because the thing I disliked the most about the 5s was the tongue. I always felt like it just looked way too clunky on feet. This thinner tongue, in my opinion, makes the shoe a lot more wearable. And underneath the left and right tongue, you have these words written there, keep going. Thank you, Khaled, for that motivation. You also get a lot of different lacing options with this shoe. So not only do you get the crimson laces that it comes with, you get 3 other laces as well, some sail laces, black as well as that blueberry chill color. For sizing on these, I went in my true size, which is a US 11, and for me it fits absolutely perfectly. And because this leather is just so nice and so soft, the shoes just feel really great on feet. Combine it with the quilted lining, yeah, you got yourself a very premium feeling shoe on feet. Go with your true size. I wear the same size in these as I do in pretty much every other Jordan 1 and Jordan 4 as well. Looking very quickly at what these are going for right now on the resale market, this Crimson Bliss pair is not reselling for a whole lot. Some of the bigger sizes are selling for maybe 20 to 30 bucks above retail right now. It seems like the sale pair is the more popular of the two, and correct me if I'm wrong, I don't even think that sale pair had a sneakers release, so there's probably just a lot less stock on that pair. It's also the more wearable of the two, so that does explain why it's reselling for a bit more. Most Jordan 5 sneakers, no matter the colorway, they don't seem to really go up in price all that much over time, so I personally don't think there's any rush to buy these if you missed out on them. You can take your time with these, maybe prices might even come down, some people might just return their pairs, or if you don't want to wait, you want to cop right now, I will leave a couple of affiliate links in the description so you guys can do that. Overall, the Jordan 5 DJ Khaled, we the best. Are these a cop or a drop? Honestly, I was not expecting a whole lot with this pair. Having these in hand, I gotta admit, Khaled, he actually really killed it on this collab. He gave us some pretty unique colorways on the Jordan 5, and on top of that, he really wanted to make sure that all the people buying the shoe receive the best quality materials possible, which is why you have some absolutely butter soft leather on this pair and some nice inner lining as well. Yeah, I'm definitely quite impressed with these. I gotta say, these are a cop. After seeing this release, I would actually love to see Khaled do some collabs on some other Jordan models like the 4s or the 1s. He did a pretty good job. Let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about this pair? I'll end the video with some more words of wisdom from DJ Khaled. Until next time, guys, peace.
They ain't believe in us. God did. God did.